Hello guys, a very warm welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to discuss with you fee structure of top 50 medical colleges in India. So guys, we all know the craze of medical colleges. So let me tell you what are the top 50 medical colleges present in India. So guys, in top 50, the first place secured by AIIMS in Delhi, which is in New Delhi. The fee structure per year is 1145 rupees. So this is the first institution in medical sciences in India. So next to that, Maulana Azad Medical College, which is present in the New Delhi. The 1 year fees for this institution is 15,400 rupees. So next to that, AFMC, which is in Pune in Maharashtra, for year 31,800 rupees. So next to that, a CMC, which is present in the Vellore, 48,530 rupees per year fees. Next to that, a JIPMA, which 4,900 rupees per year. So guys, next to that, Lady Hardyan Medical College, which is of 1,400 per year. So next to that, Madras Medical College, 3,000 rupees per year. So next to that, Grand Medical College and Sir JJ Group of Hospital, Mumbai, 49,800 rupees per year. So next to that institution, a King George Medical University, which is present in the Lucknow. So the fee structure is 54,900 rupees per year. Next to that, Seth GS Medical College, which is present in Mumbai, 72,700 rupees per year. So next to that, a Government Medical College, Amritsar, which is 80,000 rupees per year. So next to that, Institution of Medical Sciences, BHU, 29,700 rupees per year. Next to that, a Lokman Tilak Municipal Medical College, which is present in the Mumbai, 54,500 rupees per year. So next to that, Mahatma Gandhi Institution of Medical Sciences, which is Varda, 64,400 rupees per year. Next to that, Usmania Medical College, which is present in Hyderabad, 28,100 rupees per year. So BJ Medical College, which is present in Pune, 30,000 per year. The institution fees is. So next to that, Institution of Post Graduation Medical and Education and Research institution, which is present in Kolkata, 8,100 rupees per year. The fee structure is 8,100 rupees. So next to that, Bangalore Medical College and Research Institution, which is present in Bangalore. The fee structure per year is 14,800 rupees. So next to that, BJ Medical College, which is present in Ahmedabad, 6,000 rupees fee structure per year. Next to that, Government Medical College Nagpur, which is the fee structure is 80,000 rupees per year. Next to that, Vardhaman Mahavir Medical College, which is present in New Delhi, 33,000 fee structure per year. So next to that, a Stanley Medical College, which is present in Chennai, the fee structure for this institution is 13,600 rupees per year. So SMS a medical college, which is located in Jaipur, 3,000 rupees, 3,100 rupees per year. The fee structure is. The Government College, which is present in Surat, 6,000 rupees per year. The Government Medical College Kohenda, which is 26,000 per year. Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College Ajmer, which is the 33,000 per year. So guys, next to that, GSVM Medical College Kanpur, which is the fee structure is 36,000 per year. TD Medical College Alpuha, which is the 65,000 per year. Topiwala National Medical College, which is 72,000 fee structure per year. Sriran Chandran Banja Medical College and Kolkata, which is present in Calcutta, fee structure is 42,000 per year. So PGIMS, which is the fee structure is 42,420 rupees per year. Chhattisgarh Institution of Medical Sciences, which is the fee structure for 1 year is 42,000. MIMS Vijayanagaram, 12,000 rupees per year. So Maharshi Danyand University, fee structure per 1 year is 28,000. Coimbatore Medical College, which is present in Coimbatore, The fee structure for this institution is 14,500 rupees per year. So here guys, these are the 6 medical institutions which are under the private control or private institutions where the fees cost is too high. Let us have a look here. Kasturba Medical College which is present in the Mangalore, 14 lakhs 40,000 per year. ST Johnson Medical College which is located in Bangalore, the 5 lakhs 40,000 per year. NIMS Jaipur which is in Jaipur, 1 lakh 70,000 per year. Sri Ramchandran Institution of Higher Educational and Research Institution which is located at Chennai. So it is the highest institution in private institute as well as in government, 22 lakhs per year. So CMC in Ludhiana where the fee structure is 6 lakh 60,000 per year. Ramaya Medical College which is located in Bangalore, 4 lakhs per year. So guys, these are the top 50 medical colleges and their fee structures. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up and share and do subscribe to our channel.